There's a tree right around here that I think is an absolutely gorgeous old tree. I have no idea how old it is, but it's probably 60, 70 feet tall and is covered in various other plants and bromeliads and the like. I think definitely one of the mother trees for this area. Pretty gorgeous. There's another one, not quite as big, over there as well. But the trunk is probably 5 feet at the base, and this beauty provides a lot for its area and covers a lot of the canopy here. Pretty beautiful. I like trees.